Hi, this is Jeff from the Ozark Mountains in Missouri, USA. Today we're kicking off a series where we're refurbishing a Commodore 64 system for a young man with some special circumstances. I mentioned this project on Twitter and Facebook and have received donations from around the world, and I've kicked in some things myself. I'll be doing a separate video for the refurbishment of each item. That way in the future, if somebody's looking for information on a specific component like a dataset, they can go right to that video. And of course, you can watch the whole series if you want to, which I would encourage. I think the first thing we'll start with is the glue fix for these Hyperkin Trooper joysticks. We'll do that in a separate video. Let's get started.